Hey, hope you're having a good day. I got some good news. The course is now available. Click the link below to get full access. And if you're new, consider subscribing.
And look, I always try to just make your mind kind of thinking when I'm doing this. And obviously we got that gap there and we got this gap here. Okay, let's see if I can, is it if you hold shift? Oh yeah, there you go. So we got these two gaps here. Okay, I need to think about those gaps. All right, so let's do that right now. So we got the heading done. Underneath the heading we need to add in another one. And then we're just gonna call this one font size, let's just do 14 for now, line height 18, and let's see how that looks. Okay, font weight normal. Okay, cool. I'm gonna come in here and say padding top is gonna be equal to 10 pixels. All right, I'll do that, that's fine. And we got a bunch of lorem stuff. And because you see how it's touching here on the edge, I don't really like that. So how I normally tackle that is if I do tr, gonna need to indent once, and then boom 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 boom. If I do table and align center here, maybe if I give this let's do 70%. And what did I copy? I copied the whole thing, didn't I? All right, bam. All right, and if I indent this bit, okay, we should be indented properly. And if I refresh now, you got it centered looking like that. It's not touching the edge, and that helps a lot in terms of responsive and all that stuff. How's the design looking? Okay, so of course, if you wanted it to stretch out a little bit more, you can even do 80. Refresh, then it goes out a little bit more. Okay, just how you prefer basically. And 85, why not? Then I've got this little hanging fella. Let's get rid of that. See how that looks. Okay, that's fine for the demo. I just push Command S just to save, and then I'm gonna go back in here. Now I need to create this box. Okay, for the CTA. So how we do that is outside of here, we're gonna need to create a TR, and we're gonna need to create a table. Create T. Okay, put a table in there, and then this table I'm gonna call it shop now. All right, something like that. Okay, it's not centered. Align center, but I'm gonna make this one something like 250 pixels and a BG color of this thing here. Okay, something like that. Right, so we're gonna give it a BG color equals, come back in, do pound sign, and then paste. How's that looking? Okay. Right, so I need to put some padding at the bottom of this paragraph. So I could do style equals padding bottom. I'm gonna do 20 pixels or 30, depending. 20 is alright. So I am gonna come onto here and do align center, style. Okay, color, pound sign, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, that's that one. What's it looking like? Okay, text transform, uppercase text. uppercase, because basically here the font is uppercase and the font looks bold as well. So we could do font size bold. Okay. Bam. Refresh. Oh, it's not doing it. Font weight. Font weight bold. I don't know what I was thinking there. Okay, it's looking good. 250 looks like a lot. I'm gonna bounce it down to 220. Let's see how the box looks. Okay, much better. What I'm gonna need to do is look back at the design. Okay, I got padding. See, I got this padding, and then also I got this padding. Okay, so these two patterns I have to factor them in because right now my button looks squished. Not a good look. So how do we do that? Very simple, since I'm resorting to using padding today. I could do it two ways. I could come here and push 20, bam. And I come under here and push 20, bam. A lot of syntax, but that gives us this. Not bad, not bad. Actually, I'm just gonna leave it like that. The other route, I was just gonna type in padding top, padding bottom. That was probably I was gonna type it in here, padding top, padding bottom. Somewhere here, I was gonna do styling. All right, you know what? Just because I'm talking about it, get rid of this syntax. Basically, you can choose if you want to blot code out. So here I'm gonna do padding top. Sometimes people do this. 20 pixels, 0 pixels. That still works. If I refresh, nothing changes. So maybe let's do 10 so that you see a difference. There you go, that's your button. Okay, so maybe I could do 15. Bam. Alright, that's your button. Yeah? So it just depends what you want to do. More syntax or just, play around like that. Okay? Sorry, let me just get a drink. Ha. Very refreshing. Okay. If you want to know what drink I'm drinking, actually take a guess what drink I'm drinking in the comments section. If you get it right, wow, I might need to give you free access to the course. However, let's carry on. So we got the button in there. Go back to the design. Okay, looking good. Next thing you realize is that we have this gap. Okay,